Hey beauties, my name is Chanel. Today I'll be showing you guys up on this gorgeous wig that I have on today. If you're up to date, then this possibly look familiar. This gorgeous one is by AliPearl hair, you guys, and I did review it. So if you'd like to see exactly how I go ahead and style this baddie, then go ahead and keep on watching.
That's good.
Do not live. I am in love with this one. Super gorgeous, super like catchy autumn. Like I am super here for it. Super she gives me so much autumn fall vibes, and it just gets me in a mood. Like I'm just ready for fall. You can definitely rock this in the summertime as well. I definitely could see this as a summertime wig, especially for Labor Day coming up, you guys. Amazing, gorgeous. AliPearl did their thing with this one. I love the highlights. I love how the highlights are placed. And yes, you guys, this hair did come like this straight out from the package, you guys. I did no baby hair just because I want to show that you don't necessarily have to apply baby hair. And I know with baby hair it can be too excessive sometimes, especially as a beginner wig wearer. I definitely would recommend to you guys. The link is on top of the description box, guys. I love it, and I feel like this serves no justice. Like this hair looks super gorgeous even more in person, you guys. Super bomb, super amazing, very flowy, very effortless, and it's not like really uniform, you know what I mean? So I am living for it. I think AliPearl hair did their thing. They did amazing. Like the quality on this baddie, y'all. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and pick yours up like I stated. If you want to slay with me for fall, I would pick up if I was you. I'm just saying, period. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so. And like always, you guys, till next time.